In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about how to actually make the actual connection between my Asanas, my ClickUp, my Monday, and even though we now have used the actual Supabase. Today, we'll be working on with Notion. So to get started and make this process really fast, I'm going to open a new tab. Into my new tab, I'm going to go for the element that says notion.so. Notion is going to be asking me to sign in directly into my application. So make sure that you have now signed in directly into Notion. I'm going to just open a new tab. Let's go for Notion. I click directly inside here and I'm going to sign in. Now, before we continue, I strongly recommend you that you have downloaded the Claude application into your desktop to make this process much more faster, most easier, and basically just a little bit more comfort into your computer. So once you have now signed in directly into Notion, what you wanted to do is to head over back into the actual Cloudy, and you wanted to prompt this element, which is I wanted to connect and work with my, and you wanted to type Notion. Latest project, let's get started. This is the actual prompt that I use for almost everything. When I send this specific prompt, what's going to happen here is that Asana is going, well, in this case will be Cloudy, is going to be finding the actual connectors. The connectors are, let's say, like some extensions that will be needed to make and grant the access between these specific connectors. So it says I found the Notion connector connected to get started searching and updating and managing. So what I need to do is to hit into the element that says connect. This will be popping up this new section into the Notion applications once I have already signed it in. Now here I wanted to select the actual workspace that I choose to make this actual connection. This is totally for free, of course. So I hit for the element that says connect. Then it's going to be telling you that's going to be taking you back into the desktop application. Now you can see nothing happened. So what I need to do is to close my actual Cloudy. I'm going to quit this and I'm going to try to restart my actual Cloudy once more. Once I have now restarted my actual Cloudy, I can head over back into the latest chat that I was working on, which is the latest one, which is this one, and you can see that Notion is now been correctly connected. So what you need to do is to hit into the element that says used. Unfortunately, I cannot continue because it says that I have almost used everything into my free session limit, but now the connector has not been correctly connected. So when you prompt something into Cloud, it's going to be doing that process as it is, just as we did, for example, here with ClickUp. I asked for adding just a few examples directly here into ClickUp, where it says I ask for adding two tasks with example 1, 2 with due dates and different colors. And this is exactly what the Cloudy actually did. A new example 1, 2, here's the due dates and here's the priority. So that's just to make the verification that the connection between the Cloud and Notion actually worked. So guys, there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want some more great tools like this. And well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you all guys next time. See you soon.